It's coronavirus. I ain't finna take a...
I'm sorry. Now we're going to introduce you to our Snoopy Regal product line. We've got the Snoopy miniVUX and the Snoopy miniVUX 2 here. These two systems are very popular among our customer base. Forrest, can you tell us a little bit about why people like these so much?
Sure. So this is the Snoopy miniVUX 1. It weighs about 2.9 kilograms and has an accuracy of 15 millimeters and a precision of 10 millimeters. It's one of the best systems for both power line mapping, vegetation mapping, vegetation encroachment, really anything that you want to be able to fly fairly high and get a really accurate point cloud with.
How big of a job can you do with this in one flight on, say, like a DJI M600?
So the DJI M600 is the most popular drone for this particular system. It can fly for roughly 22 minutes and can capture anywhere between 80 and 90 acres in a single flight. So it's pretty significant.
Yeah, what I really like about this system is it's very versatile and can be put on a lot of different platforms. We have other UASs that we offer. We've got the Galaxy 950, which is an unmanned helicopter. It gets you roughly 45 minutes of flight time. It is very, very user-friendly. It's actually the drone that I learned how to fly on. So we also carry the Harris Hybrid. The Harris Hybrid is a gas-powered drone that gets anywhere from an hour and a half to 2 hours of flight time. It's very reliable, very sturdy, and it does great. You can capture huge jobs, cities even at one time if you needed to with that particular drone in this system. You know, Forrest, I hear from customers a lot that they like to sometimes capture LiDAR and photogrammetry at the same time. Would that be a good application for this system?
Yeah, so any of those drones are fully capable of carrying both the LiDAR and the camera on at the same time. Now we have the A6000 here mounted, but you could easily have the A7R, the RX1R2, the Centera camera if you want to do multispectral as well. The only camera that you really wouldn't want to put on this at the same time would be the Phase 1, and that's really just a size thing. When you have let's say the Harris Hybrid where you got a 2-hour flight time, I mean, you could easily cover, just do the math. You got 22 minutes of flight time, you get 80 acres. That's an incredible amount of area.
Yep, it sure is. So that pretty much wraps it up for the Snoopy miniVUX.
Yeah, I mean, the only other thing that I would say is we now have the Snoopy miniVUX 2, which is the scanner that can scan basically at 200 hertz.
Mm-hmm.
So what you liked about the miniVUX 1, this is an improved version that allows you to have basically a tighter, denser point cloud. So when you're scanning through vegetation, you're going to get twice as many points through that. The other piece is they both have 5 returns, so that's pretty much a standard. That allows you to basically get the strongest return, and then the next level is down from that. You want to tell a little bit about how our systems can be mounted onto different platforms, not only UAVs.
Yeah, absolutely. Just this easy demountable ducktail that we have right here detaches from its partner on the drone and can be flipped over and put on, say, a car. It can be put on a backpack. It can be put on a UTV, ATV, boat even. There are just so many different platforms that our systems can be used on. I think that's what really makes this an attractive product, is that it's so versatile.
Oh yeah, I mean, we just the other day we had a customer scan, I think it was 47 miles using the miniVUX 1 UAV system, but on a car.
Wow.
And the data, they were going roughly 35 miles an hour, and the point line spacing was incredible. I mean, you could see every detail in the car. So it's fully capable of being used on multiple different systems. It's just a matter of what's your opportunity, what's the amount of resource you want to put into it. It's versatile, it's literally a push button.
Yep. It's as easy as that.
So this kind of concludes this portion of the segment. We're going to move on to now just the Snoopy VUX system. We can pause after that part. I messed up. Anyway.